Hey guys, what's poppity pop, pada pop, pop, poppity pop, poppin'? In today's episode, we're gonna be doing something super quick, super simple. I was actually contemplating coming on here with my face on, but I decided not to for fear of fallout. Here I am about to show you guys this really quick eyeshadow hack trend thing. I saw it on TikTok, I saw it on YouTube. And I was like, you know what, let me see if this thing is really legit. Nah, boy, oh boy. So, don't worry, my brows looking all huge. It's gonna look better in the end, I promise.
Lord have mercy.
I'm gonna be using my TOBAGLO Estate Cocoa Edition palette just to do this trick. So what I see people do is that they pack on the eyeshadow, but they only go in once. One shade, how much ever shades, and then they blend it out. So we're going to do that. I think I'm going to use Seattle. That's this gold shimmery shade here. That is going to be in the beginning. Then I'm going to take Bailey for the middle, and then I'm going to probably go in with Bean to the end. I think so. Usually they use a all sponge now, boy. You know this sponge eyeshadow thing that I used to get in them trending? Some of them palettes that just get this sponge thing to apply it. That's what they use. But I don't want that now. So I just gonna make what I have work now. Okay, so I said I was gonna take Bean. Alright. Okay. The next one. Damn! This thing is pigmented. Whoa. Time to blend. I need to get eyeshadow. Brush. A clean one. So as much as I want this to work, I ain't trying to screw it up at the same time because don't nobody got time to do for nothing. I should have probably started the middle shade first. If this thing look muddy, I go cry.
Two hours later.
Sound like this brush too fluffy. You gotta make do with whatever brush clean. I overdo on cleaning brushes. Not because it's tedious, because I mean B29 has been saving my life and the lives of my friends. I'm just gonna go back in just to make sure things blended out how it's supposed to now by that boy. Although in the act they make it look like if you ain't need to go back with nothing, eh? So far, first I custom going back with brushes. I don't feel I even fulfilling the purpose I'm supposed to fulfill.
This is crazy.
Dude, I didn't even have to go so hard on the shimmer shade. I did not need so much. Let me know if I need to give this hack another try. And if I did it wrong. Tell me, because I feel like I follow all the instructions. If it's the palette, if it's the brush, if it's my technique, all of the judge. I go and put on my face and come back because we don't back down from a challenge and we still make it look good. You understand? Alright guys, the look is complete. I felt like it was still a hassle. I had to go back in just to make sure it blended out right because there was still like a line between the shades, and listen, I could not let that sit by. But as you all saw in the TikTok video, that wasn't the case. So that is pretty strange for me. Either way, comment and let me know if y'all think I did something wrong or is something else. Or this hack is not really a hack. Otherwise, if this also helps you out with blending out your eyeshadow, comment and let me know. I would really like to know. This is a challenge for y'all. I think y'all should definitely attempt this. Yeah. And by the way, since I used my TOBAGLO palette, just know if you're ordering, my code is YOURGLOW5, so you can get a discount when you're ordering your stuff. Okay, thank you so much. Share it with a friend. Like this video if you still love the completed look, and until next time, bye.